Theater Arts Preparation Program at George Brown College is designed for creative individuals who want to build a foundation in performance, storytelling, and self-expression. In just 1 year, you'll explore the fundamentals of acting, movement, and voice while learning how to analyze scripts, inhabit your body, and connect with an audience. You'll train with working artists who bring real-world experience from the stage and screen, and our partnership with Soul Pepper Theatre Company gives you the opportunity to learn right in the heart of Toronto's theatre district at the Young Centre for the Performing Arts. Whether you're preparing for an audition, for a theatre or media program, or simply want to discover your artistic voice, this program helps you develop the confidence and skill to take that next step.
Before joining the Theater Arts Preparation Program, I knew I loved performing, but didn't yet know if performing arts was the right path for me. This program gave me the chance to challenge myself. I've learned to take risks, be playful, and get in touch with my instincts. The classes in movement, acting, and voice helped me to discover who I am as a storyteller/artist. This experience gave me the confidence and the tools necessary to grow as an artist.
Theater Arts Preparation is where you find your voice, your confidence, and your creative path. If you're ready to take that first step towards a future in performance, this is where it begins.